Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clone voice in Suno AI. First, open Suno AI in your web browser. Once the site is open, log in using your account. After logging in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the Create section. When the Create page opens, look at the top of the screen and select the Custom option. This is where you can start using your own voice. Next, find the Audio button and click on it. You will see two choices. You can either upload an audio file you have already recorded, or you can record a new clip directly using your microphone. Choose the option you prefer. If you are uploading a file, select the recording you want to use. After that, you will need to choose the part of the audio clip that you want to upload. You can trim it to the exact section you want. Once this is done, the upload will begin automatically. Wait until the file is fully uploaded before moving to the next step. After the audio is uploaded, you can add lyrics for your song. Then you can set the persona of the voice, which controls the style and tone. You can also add different styles or effects to change how the voice sounds in your song. Once everything is set, click the Generate button to create your song. Suno AI will use the uploaded voice, your lyrics, and the selected styles to produce a new track. Thanks for watching.